Hello everyone, welcome back on Nestimon channel guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. Guys, in this today tutorial, I'm going to share with you a very great thing in XR that will help you to create the cross platform. As a few days back, I was aware that the cross platform we are using the Unity XR, and for Meta devices we use MetaXR or Meta MR. Just in few days back, I come to know that UltimateXR you can use for cross platform, and it is also a framework and its support is amazing, its feature is amazing. I'm just going to share with you that how you can utilize it and what are the features. I will play a sample how you can integrate it. I will let you know everything. Basically it also support on cross platform, on the Pico, on the Meta devices, on the HTC Vive. So there are so many platforms which supports, and their community on the Discord is amazing. So in this video I'm going to explore it, and if you are new on the channel, make sure subscribe the channel. And if you want to support me, so you can just join my membership, or you can just purchase my any sample that you can use, so it will also help me to continue my journey. Let's start the today video. Let me show you the UltimateXR website. So basically it is a full framework, it is open source, and it is created by one company, and they are using for their own project, but they have make it open source because it is free. They are saying that they love the XR thing, so they have opened for public. I think they should charge for it, but it is free. So here we are in device, and here you can see my hands. And I like one thing, like whenever I'm doing controller from away from me, so here you can see something going on with my hand. So that thing I looking very amazing. And if we are going further, oh, basically it is teleport thing. And here the laboratory. So first let me go with this shooting weapons. I like very much. So here I have to put my hand to just go to get into. Ooh, amazing. So you can see sound quality is also great, and scanning part I love it. And here what you have to do, you have to take gun, and basically you have to click the trigger, and then you can push the trigger and shoot. Okay, so you can change also. Here you are getting very amazing thing, like whenever you are pulling it out and throw here, this thing. Same you can do with this gun. So let me grab. Basically they are providing the samples, so this thing will help us to just learn. You can notice the sound different on the let me show you the laboratory part. So you get all the thing where you can explore that what they have done, what they have done, and how they have done. So you can open this, okay, and you can also bring out this thing and put anywhere, and also you can use the laser scan. Okay, you can see the effect how it's working. Okay, so there is cell you can bring out and then keep it down. So these are the features how you can install it. So here you can see, you can go on the website, and here is the support. It supports on the Magic Leap, Oculus, Pico, Steam VR, Wave XR. So it supports an avatar. You can add full body avatar, half body avatar. So here you can see they are adding almost full body, but you wanna add. And hand pose editor, basically you get the hand to edit, UI interaction, and this thing is just you will get lots of thing in their scene as well. And also you can aid for simulation. So this is amazing, and I think I will show in the video starting that how it is, how this scene is looks, how this scene looks. For installing, what you have to do, you have to go here, and you can grab from here also, and you can also grab from Unity Asset Store. So here you can see on the Unity Asset Store available. It's really great. So let me show you in Unity project that how you can import it and how you can run on the MetaQuest device, because I have MetaQuest 3. So let's start the today video. Here is my almost latest version. We have to use URP and just give UltimateXR. So just open in the Unity. So open in editor, download here. So now it is downloaded, just import it. Here you can give UltimateXR, and here they have provide everything. So what we need, samples, full scene. So they are providing the UltimateXR URP full scene. So here you can see this is the scene. And if you want to create the build for MetaQuest, so this thing is just you have to go on the build. So what you can do, build setting, player setting, and in player setting XR plugin management, you have to install XR plugin management. Basically it will install Meta OpenXR. So what it does, it will make you to run on MetaQuest devices. So just do it. In the Android you can choose the Oculus. On the window for Oculus link, so you can just choose the Oculus. You have to get this URP project here and delete this one, and just do on the Android. So just to switch platform. So now we are converted on the Android. So let's create the build, and you can just go on the ASDC, but let's do the build for our MetaQuest devices. So just do test and save. Now we have created the build and we are able to test in the MetaQuest device. So you can just explore everything about the character, everything about the gun. So in starting I will share the video. So it's really great. You will get so many stuff like how your hand is getting scanned, how you are able to just check out the gun stuff. So everything is looking great. So you can just check it out and let me know in the comment box what do you think. But I'm very happy that we got one thing amazing. We got one more cross platform for VR. So that's it. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment box. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to support also the channel for giving me your donation or buying any sample. So bye bye, take care, see you in next video.